Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A parenting plan is a structured and strategic document that outlines the arrangements and responsibilities of co-parents in raising their children after separation or divorce. This invaluable resource serves as a blueprint for promoting the well-being and optimal development of the children involved. For healthcare practitioners, understanding the intricacies of a parenting plan is crucial, as it can significantly impact the physical and mental health of the children they care for. The plan typically addresses critical aspects such as custody and visitation schedules, decision-making authority on healthcare, education, religious matters, and financial support arrangements. By establishing clear guidelines and expectations, a well-crafted parenting plan helps reduce children's stress and uncertainty during a challenging and emotionally charged time. This stability is paramount, as stress and disruptions resulting from parental conflict may lead to adverse health outcomes, including emotional and behavioral issues. Furthermore, healthcare practitioners can play a vital role in assisting parents in creating an effective parenting plan that prioritizes the children's best interests. Obtain essential details about the child, such as full name, date of birth, and any relevant medical conditions. Discuss custody arrangements and create a visitation schedule that suits the parent's availability and the child's best interests. Address decision-making responsibilities for major healthcare, educational, and religious matters. Encourage joint decision-making for the child's benefit. Outline effective communication methods between parents to foster cooperation and reduce conflicts. Stress the importance of maintaining a child-centric approach. Identify the child's primary health provider and establish access to medical records for both parents. If applicable, facilitate an agreement on child support arrangements to ensure financial stability for the child's well-being. Discuss involvement in extracurricular activities and how costs will be shared between parents. Address travel arrangements with the child and specify advance notice requirements for any relocation. Discuss the possibility of modifying the plan based on changing circumstances and the need for mutual agreement. Once all aspects of the plan are discussed and agreed upon, guide the parents in finalizing and signing the document. Here is a sample of our parenting plan, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our parenting plan, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.